Part 2, Grove Hall to Ruggles. Really windy right now on Warren. Whoa. Bridges must be brutal right now. Here's the scenario. I'm going because there's a red. So it gives me time. Unless I know for sure on that one there, I'm waiting. Alright, part 2 of Grove Hall to Ruggles. Warren and Moreland. Pay attention up here. Coming down into Nubian Square. See a lot of, and I'll admit I did it a couple times way back ago. Trying to go left here rather than just continuing straight. That's a tough one there because crossing through traffic, you think you get through Nubian quicker, which may or may not be the case. Grove Hall to Ruggles. Harrison here for a brief bit. We're going to bang up left. Alright, Grove Hall to Ruggles. Need a left here. I got my arm out. Tough one. She's gonna let me go. Thank you. I'm getting into Nubian Square here. I'm gonna take a right. I'm just watching closely. T station's to the left, big bus station, Nubian. We did that the other day. Me and my daughter, 42 to SL5. Or 4, sorry, SL4. The one that goes to South Station the whole way. And we walked to the Children's Museum. All right, we're on Washington, right in the middle of it. We're going left on Ruggles. Bus 8's loading up here. So I want to get a little bit further. I know some people probably would jet over there. But you see, this person wants to get out. Alright, oh boy, look at this. No bike lane. The whole thing. All of Ruggles Street is parking in the bike lane. The green bike. Whoa. See right there. All right, there's Ruggles.